Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you about 3 beginner-friendly free video editing tools, and the best thing is, no watermark on videos. So before starting, if you find this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. All of these comes with a simple beginner-friendly interface where you can drag and drop your media files, can use video templates, can add graphics, text, can animate elements, can add transitions into your video. First up is the Canva, second one is Adobe Express, and the last is Microsoft Clipchamp. So these are the free beginner-friendly video editing tool that you can use to make videos. Also comment below the name of your favorite video editing software. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.